I've been coping with coughs and colds off and on for years, and I've always trusted Nile Decongestant Cough Elixir to help my family. Three-way action. Helps to relieve coughs, soothe sore throats, and clear congestion to make breathing easier. Nile Decongestant does exactly what it promises. It's an up-to-date, effective treatment. It's a bit like some people. It stands the test of time. Years of experience make it a product for today.